Alright, stay put. Okay. Only got a limited time to do this, so I better do it right. Okay. It just pulled itself out of the wall.